Hi, my name's Lisa. I teach for YYOGA. I teach all different variations at YYOGA. Today I want to tell you a little bit about my favorite pose. My favorite pose, it changes actually depending on how I'm feeling, but for the most part, I enjoy bridge pose. Okay, I don't really enjoy it, but I enjoy the benefits of bridge pose. How about that? See, what I love about it is one thing, the first part is that it strengthens the back line of my body. So my glutes and my hamstrings, most of us actually, but definitely me, I need a little more work in that area. So it strengthens the back line of my body, strengthens the back of my spine and my shoulders, opens up my chest, and opens up the front of my hips. So it kind of is a no-brainer that it's pretty cool to help with my posture, my breathing, and just my overall mobility and well-being. So bridge pose. Let's see. Now, I'm certainly no model for bridge pose, okay? This is a work in progress. Remember, I do this because I need to, so I still have lots of work I have to do. So you lay on your back and set your feet up hip distance, about sitting bone distance apart, and you try to line your ankles underneath your knees. A general guideline can be, if your arms are down by your side, that your middle finger just grazes the back of your heel. But you know, it varies person to person, so you try it on. If your knees hurt, that might mean you need to shift your feet a little bit, change it up a bit. Now, I like robot arms to start. Bend your elbows, press the backs of your arms into the floor, look straight up at the ceiling, press the back of your head gently into the floor. Now, when you press the back of your arms, you can slide your shoulder blades under you a little bit more and feel your sternum, your breastbone lift up a bit. Now, push your feet evenly to keep your big toe mounds rooted down. Push your feet to lift your pelvis and your spine up. Keep your head steady and looking straight ahead. Press the backs of your arms a little more. Wrap your shoulder blades under you. And then release your hands to the floor if you'd like, or keep your robot arms. Now, right now, I feel the work in my glutes and in my hamstrings, but if I want a little extra fire, a little extra action, I can try dragging my heels in toward my backside, and then that will light up my hamstrings a bit more, draw my tailbone toward my knees, and lift my hips higher, press the backs of the arms. Oh my gosh, I'm quivering. Can you see that? That's a good thing. Shaking's a good thing, by the way. It means I'm building new neuromuscular connections. I'm gonna lower down one vertebra at a time. Oh my gosh. Wow, so that's it, that's bridge. And that's why I love it. Again, my name's Lisa Sanson. I teach for YYOGA, and thanks for tuning in today.